Hey, what is good, people? I'm Darius. Welcome back to the channel. This week's Graffiti Tip will be provided through a little experiment I did that involves shadow and which will determine the difference between the two main shadows used in graffiti, which are the drop shadow and cast shadow. I had to do this at night to take advantage of my lamp light. I find it more appropriate for this example. So, shadow. It's really important in graffiti, guys. I cannot stress that enough. It enhances the letters, it makes them stand out, it makes them pop. And also it gives the 3D feeling to your piece. So there are two types of shadow most commonly used in graffiti and other art forms. One is drop shadow, which is the most common, and the other is cast shadow. Shadow determines whether your letters or your character or object overall is perpendicular or parallel to its background. I have prepared a prop for this example, which is a letter cut out in cardboard that I painted with Posca markers, and we will be using this to demonstrate the two types of shadow. So first we have drop shadow, is the one that you see happening right here. It's the most common used in wild style, bombings and throw-ups. It's used to enhance your letters by making them seem that they flow slightly above your background, which can be paper or wall or canvas or other surface that you paint on. Also, it lets you know that the letters are parallel to the background. And if I move it this way, the letter will cast a shadow, and cast shadow provides realism and depth. It's most common used in 3D. In other more advanced techniques where the letters are translucent, the casted shadow will gain a hint of the letter's colors. Thanks for stopping by for this week's Graffiti Tip. I will keep the tips coming, but please remember that subscribing to this channel means and helps a lot. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.